Class, welcome to this last week, week 14. You've made it. I hope you're feeling good now that week 13 is wrapped up. And the assignment this week is fairly straightforward. So you can take a deep breath. Hopefully, this one doesn't prove to be too frustrating. Every once in a while, students will get hung up on the platform to use for the screencast, and we'll talk through that. But in general, this is meant to be a pretty straightforward assignment. So all you have this week is your week 6 final presentation and then a discussion board where you will share that final presentation with the class after you've turned it into me. The final presentation is a 3-minute screencast. Please don't make it longer than that. Be respectful of your classmates who will see this. You do want it to be up to 3 minutes. You want to use those 3 minutes so you can provide some substance there. And this is a walkthrough mainly of your website. You can also show the tools that you felt were helpful, whether that's Google Analytics or Google Ads or some other aspect of the class that was really beneficial to you. So you got a lot of flexibility on this. Please note there are certain requirements. It needs to be an active recording. It needs to be your active website. It shouldn't be a PowerPoint. We want to see you walking us through this. Make sure your face is visible. So those requirements are important. But once you have those set, it's really just as simple as a 3-minute screencast. The platform can be whatever you'd like. It says Zoom. It says here to use Zoom to make your recording. So if that works for you, that's great. That's usually the most common platform to use. But you can use whichever platform you'd like. It really won't matter too much as long as that that video is uploaded to a URL and you can share that URL. That's really the key. It can be on YouTube, it can be on Zoom, it can be on whatever platform you'd like. And that'll be it. You'll share that. You'll post that link to the discussion board. That will be your initial discussion board post, and then you will respond to your classmates. This discussion board is similar to our icebreaker discussion board in week 1, where everyone is on the same discussion board. So it gets really busy, but it's really fun because you can go back and you can look at everyone's businesses and everyone's projects throughout the year, and you can see what everybody ended up with. So that'll be it. Thank you so much for all your work in this class. It has been a joy. You've been a wonderful class this semester. I think you've worked really hard. You've had some very creative business ideas, and I am excited to see these final projects. If you have questions or if you run into anything, as always, please reach out. If not, I hope you have a wonderful holiday break and Christmas season, and you're able to take time and rejuvenate both physically, mentally, as well as spiritually, and that you're able to find time to focus on the Savior this Christmas season and make Him the focus of these holidays. Thank you so much, and look forward to seeing your presentations.